Hello, my name is Gerald Maib, and I'm working on becoming a leader in my field of multimedia. To do this, I've decided to go back to school to Full Sail University to get my master's in game design. Also, to make great connections with people in my field. To start out, I want to reflect on the 5 steps to strategies to the start of your life, a book of mastery from Robert Greene. Step 1. Return to your origins. Back in high school, by chance, I enrolled into a 3D animation class, thinking it was just going to be a regular art class. But when I first sat down and I made my first object, which happened to be a wooden box, it's so exciting, I know, but that experience set me on a new path to where I knew I wanted to be a 3D animator for the rest of my life. Even as today as an adult, creating a tank that can roll on a battlefield, or a giant robot mech destroying that tank on the battlefield, or to even a small rural village in the background. All was created available just by a small chance in high school and creating an easy A. Step 2. Finding the perfect niche. After learning about 3D animation, I wanted to learn more about 3D modeling and any other new techniques I could find. You could say I went down the path of Yoki Matsuoka, and after mastering 3D animation, I wanted to learn more about my field, whether that is discovering new techniques, a new art style, or whatever piqued my interest. You could say, after going in Matsuoka path, that we're one and the same, where we're trying to expand both our knowledge. The more techniques and things I learn in this field, the better designer and animator I can become. Step 3. Avoid the false path. During my time in university, I had to make a decision on where my career should go. My family, with the best intentions, wanted me to go into the field of computer programming. Of course, that is a lucrative field and is something that has financial stability. But day after day of working in a programming office, I could just not see myself getting excited for the next day of work. My heart was just not into it. And as for that, I knew I chose the wrong path. But thanks for that, I'm now in a new field of where I would like to be, which is in animation and game design. Step 5. Finding your way back. With computer programming, I felt like I've wasted 2 years of my life not being able to work on any projects I truly enjoyed or get to actually do animation. Like Fuller, in the Book of Mastery, page 42, this decade experience was not at all a waste. In fact, he learned a valuable lesson about human nature. Just like Fuller, I've learned a lesson in computer programming. I learned that you need to have time management in order to finish projects on time. I've also learned that you need to go through your project thoroughly to find all the nice little mistakes that you've missed, rather than finding them in the final product. But also thanks to computer programming, I got to experience new hobbies when I was trying to enjoy myself in that field. I got to experience world travel, scuba diving, as well as I got to experience my new love for shooting off firearms. I love it. But just like Fuller in his decade experience, this experience gave me an invaluable lesson in how to actually experience my new career. My dream career path would for me to land a position in a gaming or animation studio, creating new characters for a new game that's going to come out, or creating the next scene with Toy Story 6 that we all know it's going to come out, and I really hope I get to work on it. I'm hoping. Ideally, I do want to be able to lead a team in creating new content for media, as well as in my own studio. I do have 2 goals in this class. My first goal is to make great connections with new people, as so we can build a new future. My second goal would be for me to master my own experience with computer animation, as well as video editing. And with that, I want to thank you for watching my video, and you have a great day. Thank you.